just bought a Caterpillar D8H, specifically the 46A version, for only $2,000. I decided to buy it with almost no inspection, just hoping that the engine isn't seized and that it can still start and move on its own to get out of here. If I'm lucky, I can keep it running just long enough to climb onto the trailer and haul it away. As you can see, this beast has been sitting in the weeds for a long time. I have no exact information on how long it has been abandoned, but it's clearly been a while. Grass has overgrown it, and even trees have started growing around it. Now it's time to clean it up and try to bring it back to life. Hopefully, this rugged machine will roar again and be ready to serve my work. Let's go. After years of being abandoned in the overgrown grass, this machine has finally been brought back to life. I've checked and repaired everything from the transmission to the ignition system and the carburetor, and now the engine roars once again. The moment the tracks started moving, cutting through the mud, I knew all the effort had been worth it. From a forgotten pile of metal, it is now ready to get back to work. But this is just the beginning. Now it's time to fine-tune, upgrade, and make this beast stronger than ever. The revival journey has only just begun,